Hello guys, today's our topic is what is cryptocurrency, meaning and definition, and why and how cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrency, sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transaction. Cryptocurrency don't have a central issuing or regulation authority. Instead, using a decentralized system to record transaction in what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transaction. It's peer-to-peer, P2P, peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payment instead of being physical money carried around the exchange in the real world. Cryptocurrency payments exist purely digital as digital entries and online database. How does cryptocurrency works? Cryptocurrency run a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions arbitrated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve mathematical problems that generate coins. Users can buy the currency from the broker, then store and spend using cryptographic wallets. Cryptocurrency examples: Bitcoin founded in 2009. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and it is still the most commonly traded the cryptocurrency developed by Satoshi Nakamoto. Ethereum developed in 2015. Ethereum is a blockchain platform, its own cryptocurrency called Ether. Ripple is distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. This currency is most similar to Bitcoin. Litecoin has more quickly developed the new innovations, including faster payment and process to allow transaction. How to buy cryptocurrency? You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely and typically typically three steps: choosing a platform, traditional broker, cryptocurrency exchanges, funding your account, placing an order. There are also other ways to invest in crypto: Bitcoin Trust, Bitcoin Mutual Funds, Bitcoin of EFTs. How to store cryptocurrency: hot wallet, cold wallet storage. You can buy with what you can buy: technology, e-commerce sites, luxury goods, cars, insurance. Cryptocurrency celebrity is cryptocurrency safe? Cryptocurrency are rule built using blockchain technology. Thank you.